Welcome to the Flow Tracy Money Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 2:43 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is Friday, and it is April 11th. And of course, this is the big picture, long-term audio and video for the various different asset classes. I thought I would kick off with the dollar index because I think it is the focus of where we can think about what exactly is going on over the last week and what the implications are for the longer term. So we've had not just the promise of tariffs being imposed, we have the reality. And then the market reacted exceptionally violently to the promise of tariffs last week. Then, with a 90-day reprieve being granted in the middle of this week, we've had a relief rally take place. But then the 90-day reprieve, which really was only on countries that have not imposed additional counter tariffs on the USA. And the most important point is that those tariffs that were imposed upon China were not reduced. They were, I think it's more correct to say that they were increased. So what it really helps to frame is this broader question about what was the purpose of the tariffs in the first place. So that, I think, more than anything else, is something that it has been answered as a result of the actions that have taken place this week. But then we have the market reaction, and the dollar has been falling all week, and it is now below the 100 level. So it has dropped down below the 100 level. It has failed in the region of the 200-day moving average. It's failed at the lower side of its range. And if this decline is improved upon, or I guess is extended next week, then that will be a confirmation of a breakdown because it will be pulling back down into the underlying range. And there is the realistic possibility that what we are looking at is the end of what has been an exceptionally lengthy, although not quite as impressive as in previous occasions, bull trend for the dollar. If the dollar is going down, and then simultaneously we've also had exceptional weakness in the treasury market, the stock market performance has certainly been embellished by the weakness of the dollar. And of course, then because of the weakness of the dollar, it's ensuring that the US market is not as attractive for foreign investors as it would have been in the past. Then we have the additional question around what is the trajectory of the Fed policy? What is it likely that they're going to do? And then what are other central banks, what are other governments going to do in reaction to all of this? And in today's comment of the day, what I'm talking about is that this is an example of vendor financing gone wrong. And I think that is another way to